Today we are going to discuss about types of chemical reaction. In previous videos I discussed you about physical changes and chemical changes. That is your third chapter, changes and reaction. Today which topic I discuss with you? That is your types of chemical reaction. That is your types of chemical reaction. Mainly 5 types of chemical reaction. Mainly 5 types of chemical reaction. That is your combination reaction. First is your combination reaction. Second one is your decomposition reaction. Second one is your decomposition reaction. Third one is your combustion reaction. Third is your combustion reaction. Next one is your neutralization reaction. And last is your displacement reaction. The mostly 5 types of reactions today we discussed. First, combustion reaction. Second, your decomposition reaction. Third is neutralization reaction, displacement reaction and decomposition reaction. Now first you see the combustion reactions. Now before you seeing the combustion reaction, you should know about in a chemical reactions what the substance which are react. The substance which are react are known as reactants. So during any chemical reaction, the substance which react are known as reactants. The product which is formed by means when they react, they form a some end product that is called a products. What they are called? Products. Okay. Initial substance is called a reactant and final which is formed is called a product. That is called a product. So in a chemical reaction, reactants and products are there. Okay. Now first you take about a combination reaction. First what you take? Combination reaction. According to its name, combination means when two or more reactants combine. When two or more reactants combine to form a single product. A reaction in which two or more reactants combine to form a single product is known as combination reaction. Is known as combination reaction. For example, if you take a two reactant X and Y, what they form? XY. XY is your product. XY is your product. The combination reaction is also known as a synthesis reaction. It is also known as synthesis reaction. Take another example of combination reaction, that is sodium chloride plus sodium chloride, in which sodium plus chloride give a sodium chloride. Here the formation of sodium chloride. Sodium reacted with chlorine form a sodium chloride. That's why it is a combination reaction. Combination reaction in which two or more reactants combine to form a single product. I think it is clear to you. Next one you see, that is your decomposition reaction. Next is your decomposition reaction. A reaction in which single compound, only single compound breaks into two or more simple substance. Means in which one reactant and it is changed into a different products. Take one XY. XY is your reactant and it give a X plus Y. Decomposition reaction is just opposite to combination reaction. It is just opposite to your combination reaction. Take calcium carbonate. What you take? You take calcium carbonate. It change into calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. So the reaction in which which a compound decomposes due to heating is known as a thermal decomposition. Means in decomposition, if heating is there, then it is called a thermal decomposition reaction. Then it is called a thermal decomposition reactant. Now next you take a displacement reaction. Next what you take? You take a displacement reaction. According to its name, displacement means one metal displaces the another one. A chemical reaction in which more reactive element displace less reactive elements. More reactive elements displace less reactive elements from its aqueous salt solution. If you are taking X plus YZ, the X is more reactive than Y. So X displaces the Y, okay, and join with the Z, and Y is separated. It is also called a substitution reaction. Okay, so displacement reaction may be a single displacement reaction or be a double displacement reaction. So at a time two metal can be displaced, then it is called a double displacement reaction. If it is only one, then it is called only single displacement reaction. Last is your neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction when acid and base react to form a salt and water, then it is called a neutralization reaction. When acid react with the base to form salt and water, then it is called a neutralization reaction. Mainly these four types of reaction is given in your book. That is your what? Combination reaction, then decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, and the neutralization reaction. I hope I make you understand about the types of reaction. For today, it is up to here only. In next video, I continue with the another topic. Now, thank you.